Ever wondered how to whip up a luxurious risotto with truffles in your own kitchen? With the right ingredients and a bit of culinary finesse, you can create this exquisite dish that's sure to impress. First, gather your ingredients. For this dish, you'll need 2 cups of arborio rice, a type of short grain rice known for its creamy texture when cooked. You'll also need 1 medium onion, finely chopped, and 4 cloves of garlic, minced. The star of the show, of course, is the truffle. A small one should suffice, but feel free to indulge. Next, heat up a large saucepan over medium heat. Add a splash of olive oil and sauté the onion and garlic until they're soft and fragrant. Then, toss in the arborio rice and stir until each grain is coated with the oil. Now it's time for the wine. Pour in half a cup of dry white wine and stir the mixture until the wine is fully absorbed. This deglazing process will add an extra layer of depth to your risotto. Next, you'll need 4 cups of warm chicken or vegetable stock. Add it to the rice 1 cup at a time, stirring constantly until the liquid is absorbed before adding the next cup. This slow addition of liquid is key to achieving the creamy texture that is characteristic of risotto. Once all the stock has been absorbed and the rice is tender, remove the pan from heat. Stir in a generous handful of grated Parmesan cheese and season with salt and pepper to taste. Finally, shave your truffle over the top of the risotto. The heat from the dish will release the truffle's intoxicating aroma, adding the final touch to your luxurious homemade meal. There you have it, a step-by-step guide to making risotto with truffles. This dish combines the creaminess of arborio rice, the aromatic flavor of truffles, and the richness of Parmesan cheese to create a culinary experience that's nothing short of extraordinary. Whether you're treating yourself on a quiet evening or entertaining guests, this risotto is sure to make any meal feel like a special occasion. Enjoy the process, savor the flavors, and above all, have fun in your kitchen. Bon appétit!